Hey guys, Rubber Tramp Renegade. Today is January 9th, I believe. I've been at the community college all day taking some classes, not some classes, some tests for some classes that I took online. I had to have some proctored exams. That's for my appraisal education. I'm working on trying to get another level of licensing with my appraisal license. Anyways, it's about 2:30. I'm done with all my tests. I passed all the tests, so I had 6 tests that I had to take. So I got that taken care of. But I'm out in the garage, and you can see all of my camping gear is down here. That was all in the van, and I was going to try to figure out how to get it in the Jeep there, but I've been doing a lot of thinking lately, and I'm going to give every single one of you permission to say, I told you so. I shouldn't have sold the van. So, if you're just now, if you're a new subscriber to my channel, this might be a surprise to you. You might not have caught up to my newest videos, but I did sell the van and get that Jeep Grand Cherokee there. And I like the Jeep. It's fun to drive. I've taken it out a couple times. I've done a couple things to it. I had to change the oil pan, not the oil pan, but the transmission oil pan, and it was dented in. I had to change that and put a gasket on it. But other than that, the Jeep's been great, but it's just not going to work out for what I want to do. So the search is on for another van, and I have my eye on one about 3.5 hours away. My brother is going to go with me. I think my wife is going to go with me too. In a couple days, not tomorrow, but the next day, we're going to head down there and look at this van. So I think what I'm looking for this time around is, I think I want another Ford. I like the Ford van, but this time I want a high top and I want an extended van, so I can have a little bit more headroom and maybe build a little bit different. I've got a different layout in mind that I want to try. So with that layout, I'll be able to fit all of my existing gear, my Dometic fridge there, my camp toilet, all that would still be in the van. The problem I'm going to run into is I'm going to have to spend a little bit more money because, as you guys know, when I sold the van, I left everything that was attached. So I lost my battery, I lost my isolator, I lost all my fuse panel, all the wiring, all that. I've just got to redo all over. So a little bit of expense. The wood and everything like that, those materials I'm not too worried about because they're kind of cheap, really. So anyways, I'm on the search for a new van. Hopefully this one in a couple days works out. If not, I'm going to be looking for something because I want to get another van and build it out in time for the spring. It's January now, but spring will be here before you know it, and I want to get out and kayak and camp and do some more of those things. So call me crazy. Some of you guys, a lot of you have been very very supportive of my decisions. I didn't use the van as much as I wanted to, and that's why I sold it. But just thinking, I really do want to make a point again to get out and use the van. So also, a lot of you, I won't say a lot of you, several of you were pretty hateful when I sold the van and got the Jeep, and made some pretty nasty comments, and I might have said a couple things back. But I really, moving forward, I'm just not going to pay much attention to all the negative people on my channel. Even from the very beginning, I've been 100% honest with you guys. I built my camper van to camp in. I don't live in my van. I'm not a van lifer. So, I'm not trying to deceive anybody in any way, shape, or form. I'm just a regular old guy who built a camper van and wanted to have a little bit of fun on the weekends. So, anyways, thanks for watching this channel. If you have any questions, comment below. If you have any questions on any of my old videos, just let me know what question you have. If you have any questions on the things that I use in my van, all the products, the fridge, the stove, things like that, I should have a link in most of my videos to all of those items. So you can click the link and it'll take you to Amazon where you can buy those items or research them. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.